Today we are going to learn how to find the number halfway between two multiples of 100. When finding the halfway number, we are looking for the number that is exactly in the middle of the two numbers. Let's work through the first example. What number is halfway between 700 and 800? First, look at the two numbers. We know that 700 and 800 are 100 apart. Half of 100 is 50. To find the number that is halfway between 700 and 800, we would either add 50 to 700 or subtract 50 from 800. Both of these will give us the same answer. 700 plus 50 is 750, and 800 minus 50 is 750. So, the number that is halfway between 700 and 800 is 750. Let's have a look at the second example. What number is halfway between 6,500 and 6,600? We know that the gap between 6,500 and 6,600 is 100. Half of 100 is 50, which means we either add 50 to 6,500 or subtract 50 from 6,600. 6,500 plus 50 is 6,550, and 6,600 minus 50 is also 6,550. So, the number halfway between 6,500 and 6,600 is 6,550. Now it's your turn.